Hello friends, in this class I am going to discuss the method how to solve the problem from the inequation chapter. Okay, so for that purpose let me consider one problem, this one. Okay, here in this x belongs to r is given. Okay, but this is the secondary case, we will consider it afterwards. The first thing is that how to solve this inequation. So first of all it should be written as it is. Okay, 4x minus 19 is lesser than 3x upon 5 minus 2 is lesser than or equal to minus 2 upon 5 plus x. So the very first step is to remove this denominator. Okay, so in denominator we have 5. Okay, if different denominators are there, then we have to take the LCM of all the denominator, and then that whole inequation should be multiplied with that LCM. But here the plus point is that we have only one denominator, that is 5. So multiply this inequation by 5. So on multiplying by 5, that is LCM of denominators. Okay, so we'll get 5 into 4x minus 19 is lesser than 5 into 3x upon 5 minus 2 into 5 is lesser than or equal to minus 2 upon 5 into 5 plus 5x. So this 5 will get cancelled, and here we will get 4x into 5, that is 4 5 is 20x minus 19 5 is 95, and lesser than 3x minus 10 is lesser than or equal to, this 5 will again get cancelled, we get minus 2 plus 5x. Okay, now split it. See, we have two inequation signs. Okay, so split it in two parts. So one part from the starting up to this. Okay, from where the second inequation sign get starts. Okay, and the second one will be this. Now we can write it as 20x minus 95 is lesser than 3x minus 10, and the second one will be 3x minus 10 is lesser than or equal to minus 2 plus 5x. Now either solve them simultaneously or one by one, you can do that. Okay, so I am solving them simultaneously, but the thing is that you should keep in mind that x should always be positive. Okay, don't make x negative. You should change the sides of x in such a way that x will always remain positive. So I am taking this 3x to this side, so I'll get 20x minus 3x, and 95 to this side is lesser than minus 10 plus 95, and in this one take 3x to this side. Okay, in place of taking 5x to this side, because if we will take 5x to this side, then we will get x with minus sign, that we don't need. So take 3x to this side and minus 2 to this side. So minus 10 plus 2 is lesser than or equal to 5x minus 3x. So here we will get 17x is lesser than 85, and minus 8 is lesser than or equal to 2x. So from this we will get x is lesser than 5, and from here we will get minus 4 is lesser than or equal to x. So on combining that we will get minus 4 is lesser than or equal to x is lesser than 5. Now here after doing this, now we need this part. Okay, x belongs to whatever set is given to us. So the very first thing I am considering, when I'm going to consider all the cases in this question. Okay, so very first one is that when x belongs to R, that is set of real numbers. Okay, real numbers. So in case of real numbers, we have to represent the solution set in set builder form. Okay, that is x. These curly brackets should be there. X such that x belongs to R and minus 4 is lesser than or equal to x is lesser than 5. Everything should be in this way, curly brackets. Okay, and these expressions should be written as it is. And for number line, arrows should be there at both ends. Okay, then one extra number we should have to take on both sides. So as it is starting from minus 4, so at least we have to start it with minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, at least minus 3 should be there, otherwise you can start it from minus 1, minus 2, whatever. Okay, but one extra should be there on both sides. Then sorry, minus 5. Okay, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and one more I am taking, that is 6. So now for on these numbers you put circles like this. Then we can see that equal to sign is there with minus 4, so that minus 4 should be darked. Okay, shade this circle, then shade this line up to 5. Okay, ठीक है. Now one more thing I want to tell you, if in place of integer there would be any fraction number, for example 2 1 by 5. Okay, then 2 1 by 5 should be marked on the number line, should be written there, then we have to make the circle and proceed in this way. Now second one is when x belongs to I set of integers. Now set of integers can be written in tabular form. Okay, so solution set can be written either in this way, both are acceptable. Either you can write it like this, x such that x belongs to n and minus 4 is lesser than or equal to x is lesser than 5, or minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Any of the method can be used. So you'll get for number line, let me start it with minus 5. Okay, and minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, then 2, then 3, and 4, 5 and 6, and this, and circle all the numbers. Equal to sign is there with minus 4, so it should be included, and minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1, then 2, 3 and 4. 5 will not be included because it is lesser than 5. Okay, equal to sign is not there now with 5. Now dark these circles. Okay, so in this way we can write for integers. Now if it would be third thing, when if x would be x belongs to w. Okay, set of whole numbers. If it would belongs to set of whole numbers, then in this case solution set either can be written in set builder form, x such that x belongs to w and minus 4 is lesser than or equal to x is lesser than 5, or can be written in tabular form. So whole number starts from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 will not be there. Now number line, so as it is starting from 0, so I am starting it from minus 1. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this 0 will be there, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, like this. If it would be n, set of natural number. Fourth part, if x would be belongs to n, set of natural number, then here solution set would be either in tabular form or in set builder form. So x is that x belongs to n and minus 4 is lesser than or equal to x is lesser than 5, or as natural number starts from 1, so 1 2 3 then 4. Okay, like this. Then number line will be 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So dark these circles like this. Okay, now with this I want to add one more thing. See, if in place of this it would be like this, minus 4.6 is lesser than or equal to x is lesser than 5, then only in case of real number we have to include this, otherwise all others will remain same. So minus 6 and minus 5 and minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0, then 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, so then so we have to mark a line over here. Okay, and it should be written there, minus 4.6 should be written there. Then make the circle, dark the circle, then make circle on 5 and then shade this line. I hope this might be clear to you. Okay, thank you.